Nangita ba kag puyo dayon by next year? Naatay townhouse and single detached available units diri sa Pasili Grove Extension. So open na ta for reservation. Located in Gasili, Consolacion, Cebu.
Hi guys! So nata karon sa Pasili Grove, Consolacion. So 2 to 3 minutes na ni from highway guys. So mga 10 minutes going to SM Consolacion. So i-check na to guys ang ato ang inner unit. So this is our townhouse unit. So with parking space na ni siya. And then fully finished upon turnover. So free na ang countertop and also kitchen cabinet upon turnover. And then naatay one toilet and bath sa first floor. And also naatay service area. So lot area na to is 53 to 249 square meter, and also the floor area is 63.6 to 69 square meter. So depende na if inner or corner unit inyong makuha. So naapod tayo single detached. So let's check ang ato ang second floor. So sa second floor guys is natay 3 bedrooms. So ang master's bedroom is with toilet and bath and also with balcony na siya. So every room guys is nasa siya free cabinets. So ang sa ubos, sa first floor is free ang kitchen cabinet. So aside na natay free transfer and move-in charges and also free ng electric and water connection and also natay free Mandawi foam home card. And reserve your unit for only